Hey, welcome back to AV Upgrade's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the new OS3 update from Control4. Other than an improved and classy update to the look and feel of the interface, there have been new changes to the functionality. The OS3 update is available on your mobile app, your in-wall or portable touchscreens, on the new Neo Control4 touchscreen remote, and the new TV on-screen Control4 menu. The OS3 update maintains a unified and simple interface that is easy to navigate on all of the previously mentioned devices. So with that being said, let's get into the major changes. You are now able to arrange and remove certain features from your favorites dashboard. Are you constantly having to navigate through multiple pages just to get your Spotify to play? Well, now you can just have it readily available when you wake your device. The way that you arrange and remove certain features from your favorite dashboard is similar to how you rearrange apps on an Apple iPhone. All you have to do is press and hold a feature icon and then drag it to where you want it to be, or press the X icon to remove it. Another feature that the OS3 update introduces is a new active media bar. It is placed at the top of the current room screen on your device. Have your favorite music station playing and easily accessible while you clean the kitchen. With this bar, you can control the volume and control your music with larger play, pause, and skip buttons. The last functionality change we will discuss is what Control4 calls the at-a-glance view of your home. Your security, lights, and climate control devices from across your entire home are integrated and shown on one My Home page. With the use of new OS3 icons, you have a real-time view of what aspects are activated and which are not. For example, a garage door icon shows if it is open or closed with a small picture representation. If the front door is locked, it will show an unlocked icon, and vice versa if the door is locked. Overall, the improvements from your OS3 update enhance and facilitate the control you have over your home automation system on all of your devices. Truly tailor your control to your needs and wants to simplify your day-to-day activities. Thank you so much for watching our video here on the AV Upgrade's YouTube channel. As always, please like and subscribe. If there are any tutorials or topics you would like to see us talk about, comment your ideas down below.